I'm Emily with Spectrum Discovery Area. Today, we're going to do an experiment using fire. You can try it at home too. Just remember to always have an adult with you and to practice safe science. You will need a candle, some vinegar, some baking soda, and a container like a jar or a cup. First, before we get started, let's think about what a fire needs to stay alive. Fire needs 3 things. Do you know what they are? A fire needs oxygen, heat, and fuel. These 3 things make up the 3 sides to our fire triangle. If you take away one of these things, your fire will die. Let's try it together. Ready? Okay, now we're going to take away one side of our fire triangle using a chemical reaction. So here I have my candle all lit and ready to go. I put it in a bowl to catch any possible messes. I have a little bowl with some baking soda in here and a small amount of vinegar in a jar. So the first thing I'm going to do is mix the baking soda and the vinegar together. What happens when you mix baking soda and vinegar? Let's look. I hear some fizzing. I see some bubbles in my jar. Gonna let all of that baking soda react with the vinegar. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to pour the gas that we created in our jar. We created some carbon dioxide, or CO2. We're going to try to pour just the gas over the flame without getting any of the liquid in our jar on the candle. Okay, let's try it. Look at that! Our candle went out. All of our liquid is still in our jar. All the CO2 that was created with our chemical reaction was really heavy. It's heavier than oxygen, so we were able to pour it into our bowl and put out our flame, because our flame didn't have any oxygen. Okay, we did our fire experiment, we created some carbon dioxide, and we took away the oxygen from our fire triangle, and our fire went out. Thanks so much for watching my science video, and remember to always stay curious.